Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Ian at Anointed Vessel Chiropractic in Clark, New Jersey. This chiro tip of the week is going to be on chiropractic and menstrual cycles. A research study showed that in a sample that would survey 33,000 women between the ages of 18 and 45, that only 24% of them felt comfortable calling out of work or school due to cramping, bloating, back pain, and headaches related to their menstrual cycles. Now, out of this 24%, 1 in 5 women stated the reasons of absence to their employer or professor was due to their menstrual cycle. Now, out of the 8 billion people in the world, women make up 50% of the population, and women make up 100% of the mothers. However, till this day, there's still a taboo subject to be talked about. Now, chiropractic works and helps this by taking the pressure off of the nerves in the low back and improving the brain's communication with both the uterus and the ovaries. Many women in our office come in that treat their menstrual cycle with either oral contraceptions, IUDs, over-the-counter medications, prescription drugs, and surgeries. Now, ladies, the stigma ends today. Book your appointment as soon as possible, and let's get you beginning to feel and function better.